Step into luxury with the 2016 Buick Cascada Convertible. Under the hood, you'll find a spirited 1.6-liter 200-horsepower turbocharged engine capable of a daring and sporty performance.
Each and every detail of the exterior expresses muscularity. Stylish alloy wheels suggest both sport and refinement, residing elegantly within the fender arches. Enjoy the outdoors while basking in luxury with the retractable soft-top roof. Rain-sensing windshield wipers pair with adaptive front xenon headlights to maintain visibility at all times.
Sport-oriented sophistication characterizes the lavish cockpit of this car. Top features include remote keyless entry, a tachometer, a power seat, heated door mirrors, lane departure warning, and one-touch window functionality. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped.
You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as knee airbags, integrated rollover protection, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS.
The 2016 Buick Cascada. A great vehicle and a great value.